We're gonna burp for you guys again, okay?
You gotta hurry up.
We're in our pool. It's a beautiful hot day. We got soda. We got a camera. Oh yeah, we have our voices. My bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hi people. Sorry if you can't hear us. Huh? I said sorry if you can't hear us.
Dude, there's like a really hot guy inside the house.
Sad that he's not out here joining us.
Did you see the clothes?
No, it doesn't. Don't waste this valuable hot tub.
Oh, it kind of floats. Floats up there.
Oh, and I might have a boyfriend. His name is Lewis.
Oh, and there's this guy.
She might have a boyfriend too.
Yeah.
His name is.
Well, people know him as Eliza, but his real name's Tyson. I think he'll call him Tyson.
His name is Tony. No, I'm just kidding. His name is Tyson. I bet you if they ever see this, they're gonna be like, what the f? They are so. That's nasty. Even I don't videotape it. Sorry. Alright, guys. Okay.
Oh yeah, this is burping girl's wet version.
What? Oh yeah, we're wet. Okay, I'm done with the witness.
I bet you could be good, huh?
Yes, still going.
We're still going.
Okay. If the camera dies, well, if it stops because the camera died, if we don't get to say bye, I'm sorry. We'll do another one when the camera's charged.
Yeah. Who was I?
Those Doritos are so good if you put them in a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Go make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich like right now and then put the cheese Doritos inside of it. It is so good. Yeah. Sorry.
Those are nice ones.
Yeah, it's really good. Oh no, it's okay. Sorry. Talking to my best friend. Sad face. Okay. Wait. You have to comment. If you do not comment, we will hunt you down and make you comment.
Yes.
who's the better burper, Anneliese or myself.
And you just have to comment.
Yeah, just
okay?
comment. And then
like,
we'll make
smiley
more.
face for not commenting us. We're like awesome.
Yeah.
We're in bikinis.
Dude, I'm in a bikini and board shorts.
Okay, but our big finale is making a cannonball.
Let's go.
Okay.
Am I gonna do it? Because I'm really good at the cannonball. There's like...
Big stick charge.
Okay.
I'll go first.
Anneliese's can. Hurry up, dude. It's like about to die. Okay. Final cannonball. Go. 1, 2, 2, 3. Uno cannonball. Hi! 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 Dude, it's like sinking! It's sinking! Hold on, baby.
Oh, no.
Hurry! The pool, bathing suits, water, hot girls. Yeah, you know you like. Okay. There goes Willow. Her turn. Uh-oh. Big splash. Whoop. Woo!